it's okay to have emotions. It's just knowing how to manage those emotions.
I call that entrepreneurial emotional intelligence.
Yes.
Emotional intelligence is so important, but when you're an entrepreneur, you have to have entrepreneurial emotional intelligence.
Absolutely.
Emotional intelligence is not just reading other individuals and knowing how to communicate. It's also internalizing and understanding your own emotions as well, and how to manage those emotions. So
Right.
how to intelligently manage them.
Using it as a superpower, especially for the women entrepreneurs that are listening out there. I mean, when I first started my business, there was a lot of people that said, take your emotions out of it. You're making decisions based on emotions. And so for the first few years, that's exactly what I was doing. But then at the same time, I felt like I wasn't being myself because I do wear my emotions on my sleeve. But at the same time, as an entrepreneur, you have to be careful not to make decisions led by your emotion. And that's where, it helps to have that emotional support, to have that support system, to have somebody, if they're better at HR, hire somebody else that does that for you versus you. For me, that was my internal struggle because I want to give everybody a job and give them the opportunity, but then that cost me a lot of money because the people I was hiring was not fit for the job. But then when you partner up with someone like Mark and he can get somebody for you, then that makes my job so much easier.
Yeah, have somebody else play the bad guy, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Speaking of getting help, so having a peer group or some peers that, like, I've got some really good friends in business now. I think, the show's been really, really good for me on that and building relationships out. Well, I didn't start there, but then you get to know these folks that have been through struggles. And then when you're going through something, you feel like, hey, I can have a chat with somebody and be like, we can do it here on the show. We can do it whatever. But it's like, hey, this is where I'm struggling. How have you dealt with this kind of thing?